friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my Ipsy Unbagging. Finally, it's been a struggle filming recently, but yeah, this is gonna be my April Ipsy Unbagging. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's super cute. I love like the pops of yellow. Love the little daisies, I think that's what those are, and stuff. The theme for this month is keep growing, and of course we got our card per usual with all the info on these products. And apparently April's glam bag is made from recycled fabric, which I like, and yes, we love that. And yeah, my face is feeling very dry since I have like nothing on my face. Bareface Katie, here to stay, but not for long and stuff. And I love the little daisy on the there. Ipsy, I believe, is $13 a month now. And then of course there's the Glam Bag Plus, which I believe is $25 a month, I think. And there's Ipsy Glam Bag X, which I believe is like ranges around like $55, which I get and I love. I didn't film my last one, but I think I mentioned that before. But that one's coming up, so that'll be next month. But yeah, let's just stop talking and get right into it because my face is feeling very dry since I have skincare to try. So the first thing, I actually ended up picking this because I've always wanted to try this, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And this is such a baby. And I have actually used these products, but I like filming this try on anyways. So yeah, I've actually tried these products multiple times. So yeah, but I'm obsessed with this product, and it's like one of those things where I might get this full size because I really love it. It gives you like a nice natural glow, and I would love for this to be like an option in a Glam Bag X because it's just so nice, and I love like base it gives and stuff. And just a little information on that. So like I said, that's the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. The full size of this, you get 40 ml for $34, which actually isn't too bad and stuff. And it says part face serum, part highlighter. The lightweight gel and multitask like no other. Niacinamide and watermelon extract come together to help fade dark spots and soothe your skin texture, while a dose of hyaluronic acid helps instantly plump and hydrate the skin for a glass-like glow. Mix 2 drops into your foundation before applying it to your skin for a boost of hydration, which I want to try that and stuff, but I've just been using it basically how I did it there and stuff. I'm going to quickly moisturize and then we can try our next product. So the next thing I got in my bag is this Dear Beach Glassy Lip Oil and Gloss. It's kind of what it looks like. I love this. So it's like a clear gloss, and it just makes your lips look so like moisturized and gives them like a nice shine to them. And I just love it. Like, look how like plump they look. Like, yes. But yeah, this is a deluxe sample, of course, and 10 mils, like the full size is 10 mils for $25. It says a must for dry lips, which I definitely have. This super hydrating oil leaves your pout feeling silky smooth thanks to the blend of natural jojoba oil, olive oil, and meadow foam oil. Plus, the fast absorbing formula never feels gooey or sticky either, which I love. Layer a bit of this oil over your go-to lipstick for hydration and shine. I should definitely try that sometime, but I kind of like using this like on no makeup days and stuff, and also just using it like when I want to put on like lip products and stuff like that. It's just I really like it. And then the next thing I have to try is a makeup item. This is from Shades of Shan. This is their hydrating primer, which I absolutely love. I love a good hydrating primer. I usually go for like glowy or hydrating primer, especially in like this time of year. Like, I know we're getting into spring, it's getting warmer, but we're into like a hydrating base and stuff. My skin feels so plump and hydrated right now, which I love. I love that so much. And that's the primer. Don't know if I showed it really, but that's what it looks like. It says this hydrating primer it says dealing with sensitive skin, no big deal. This primer is here to help. The soothing, hydrating formula plumps skin and smooths its texture, so your makeup never looks cakey or settles into fine lines. Plus, it's made with fragrance and potential skin irritant. Tip is to prevent pilling. Let this primer completely soak in before applying your foundation. The full size of this, you get 30 grams for $26. Not too bad. Yeah, I always let my primer sit on for like 5 to 10 minutes just to be safe and stuff, so I always do that. And the next two products are also makeup-y type products, so I'm gonna let this sit on, apply my foundation and all that kind of base products, and then I'll be right back. My face is looking so weird right now and I don't know what it is, but what maybe powder will help that. So I have a new one to try, which I've already tried all this stuff. I think I've already clarified that, but to use, I should say. So this is the YC Collection Luminous Setting Powder in Honey. And yeah, so I just tap some in there. It's like your typical looking powder. I'm gonna dust some on my face. I applied highlight, but I'm hoping like this will still keep it luminous, but also blend my face a bit, because I don't know, it's looking maybe too glowy, or it just needs something. So this will hopefully help that. I also like using this under my eyes, on my eyelids, that whole thing. But yeah, I think that helped quite a bit. But yeah, I really like that powder. I feel like it's nice. That's from YC Collection. It's obviously just a sample. The full size of this retails for $15, so actually not bad. Like kind of like drugstore, in between drugstore and high-end price point. Just say hello to the least powdery face powder. The lightweight luminizing formula is made with vitamin E and soft focus micro sparkles to help blur imperfections, hydrate and smooth skin, and impart the radiant glow without looking like cakey or settle into fine lines. And a tip, extend your glow and dust this powder onto your collarbones and shoulder bones, which I'm not doing because obviously I'm literally wearing like a crew type shirt today, or at least right now. I think I only have like one more product, so I think I want to finish off my face, then finish off with that last product. Okay, so the last thing I have to try is a highlighter, which I for sure did not need and stuff, and I might want to scale that back, but we'll see. But this is from MOTD, which I believe might stand for makeup of the day. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it's just saying, like, maybe it's just that. But this is what the highlighter looks like, and this is in something magical, and I'm going to use this as my highlighter today, which I love. So yeah, doing that. Super pretty, like golden color, which I really like and stuff. I don't know, it's super beautiful. I really like it and stuff. Really pretty. But yeah, and just a little information on that. So that is MOT Cosmetics highlighter in something magical. This is a deluxe size sample that retails for $24 for 8 grams. It says whether you want a soft sheen, a major glow, blendable highlight can help get you there. The non-cakey powder formula is infused with a blend of nourishing ingredients and pearlescent gold and peach pigments to instantly light up your skin. And it says tip, apply to the high points of your face with a makeup brush or sponge. That'd be interesting to try it with sponge for the best results. And yeah, that's everything I got in this month's Ipsy bag. I will just go over everything real quick. So absolutely love the nice Cinnamide Dewdrops from Glow Recipe. The highlight's really nice. I really do like that as well. I really like the glass lip thing. The setting powder I really love. I actually love everything that came in this bag. The primer. Loving everything. I love everything. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, if you did, Please subscribe so you don't miss another video. I post lots of beauty, lifestyle, planning, that kind of stuff. Trying to get back to a normal-ish schedule with uploading and stuff, which I feel like these days I don't have a super normal schedule, but I try. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, post videos multiple times a week for the most part. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.